moment, we're waiting for our tour guide. Okay. So we're all going to wait up at the top, and the tour guide will come there too with us, all right?
Yes.
So let's make our way. All right, well, we need a group photo.
So before we die, though.
The youngest.
Upstairs.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to just show, like, this is not all of the people. It's just still some people in the back. So.
As well as what they did, what they used against the Italians, the weapons specifically, and we will see also the immediate cost to the battlefield and the post-battle treaty that was initiated by Emperor Menelik, the king of Ethiopia at the time. And we have artifacts, the original one. There is a sand cast of the battlefield that shows the topography of Adwa, how much it was difficult at the time to go through. And we will see the march history, how they marched starting from Addis to Adwa, which is 1,096 kilometers away from here. So we officially, here we go, we started our tour, we continue to do it. Thank you.
An international citizen. Like, I'm not, I mean, give thanks, you know, we're just, where we're born, but, you know, give thanks still. Gives you a different outlook, you know?
Egypt.
History, you know, there were 150 soldiers on the opposition. So, Emperor Menelik came to the news and also, you know, from that I'm going to allow you to forward for the last time. As long as water is necessary, there were no more water provision around you. Children get water, all will be accepted. So the battle will be won by different components. But my country for that's why I say
Yeah, oh no.
So this is the original Iron Lady.
Nate, did you see the water?
They weren't just commanders, they were also kings.
Check the harmony.
Unlike today, Ethiopia was classified to many provinces, and each province had their own kings. Now, to put the difference between Emperor Menelik and those 12 commanders who were also kings of provinces at the time. The emperor claimed the title.
Let's go to the, oh look, it's a sitting area over there. You see the sitting area right there? And then there's a view of the mountains right there. Oh, it's another view over there. So I just got some views. I just got some historical artifacts. Wow. Yes, we're walking to the monument. That's where we're walking to, the monument. Is it roped off? Now we're closer by it.
Earth is here for us, so we have to utilize the earth to the best of our advantages, not being selfish and greedy, but replenishing the earth, caring for the earth, nurturing our women and youth, giving them what they need, and to be in balance with the earth, to love and to give and receive in a balanced way with each other and with the animals. That's the mission, that's the purpose. If you feel called to be on this wave of sustainability, of betterment of humanity, natural liberty, self-care, self-love, community-based healing, unity in community, homesteading, farming, all of the above, please link me. Let's get to it.